Good evening. This is 𝐴𝐚𝐧𝐢𝐩𝐿 IPS, Superintendent of Police, Imphal East, Manipur. Various instances of activities of certain organizations and individuals that may lead to enmity and conflict between different communities, including detention and assault of individuals in the name of moral policing or drive against drugs, and hate speech in social media are frequently reported. In certain cases, such activities led to grievous injury and even death of certain individuals, as we witnessed in recent days also. Now, it is informed to all the organizations, general public and individuals that stringent action will be taken up against those individuals and groups or organizations which indulge in such activities which may promote enmity between different communities and conflict between different communities also. Appeal is made to refrain from indulging in such anti-social activities, particularly those activities which may promote communal enmity. And appeal is again made to all the CSOs, civil society organizations and general public and individuals to extend full cooperation to the police while taking up action against such antisocial elements. Thank you.